Hey guys, so I'm going to go through and show you exactly how to set up your domain name. So first thing, obviously you need to have a domain name. I recommend GoDaddy just because they have sales all the time. Once you have that, you're going to sign in to your account. You can also do this through a phone. It's super simple. It's actually easier in my opinion, but I'm going to show you here today on the computer. So as you can see, I have two domain names actually, but we're going to go into Lash Lady Han. We're going to go into launch. So first thing I want to do, every 10 days you should have a party going. With that party, instead of having to give out that super long random link, see right here, that you normally give out, you're going to go up to forwarding and manage. Okay, so once you have this pulled up, you want to make sure that you have a party going. Obviously, I have a party that's already connected, but I'm going to show you exactly how to connect it. So you've created your party, go into the party, click up here and copy that, go over to your domain name. Once you've set this up one time, you're going to always update forwarding. So I would select this, paste it, and then make sure it says temporary and forward only. The reason for those is temporary because you only want this every 10 days. If you make it permanent, it's going to try and send every person that has the old link to that, and it's just going to be confusing. Forward only, you could change it to forward with masking, but I prefer to have it forward only, just so that when your guest is actually getting ready to check out, they see that it's a secure, unique website. So you would update, which is recommended, and then hit save. Let me do this here. Hit the edit so that it saves it, and then hit save. This, like it says, it'll take a few minutes, but now you can see, okay, end of January bash is the party that I put on it, and you're going to go to lashladyhan.com, and now you'll see it's loading, and it takes your customers there. That domain forwarding with masking, if you did masking, this would not show up. Instead, it would show your domain name. So that's kind of up to you whether or not you want to do that. Now, second thing that I even just realized here recently, if you go to your Join tab, this is huge. Great information for you to have. Pull up that Join tab, copy it. We're going to go back over to our domain, go into your forwarding, and down here we have this thing called subdomains, and we're going to manage that. When you go into your subdomains, you will add one. So I'll show you from the get-go. So I want this to be my Join tab. So I will make this Join. I will take the forward to and paste my link. Also, I believe this one should be temporary as well. This one doesn't matter so much. So I do it with the masking. When you do it with masking, always make sure you have a title and a description. Title for mine is Younique Stephanie and Join the last train or whatever you want it to be. Something unique to yourself. And in the description, just put something fun and witty, and basically this is if you were searched on Google, it is going to pull up the Younique Stephanie Hand Join the Last Train as the title that has the underline on it, you know, when you search on Google. The description is what's going to show up underneath that line. So you could put, you know, all online, work from home, you know, magic mascara, whatever you want it to be. Obviously, this one I'm showing you, I will delete, so I'm not going to go into detail there, but you can put a description. And then you would hit add. When you hit add, it's going to take you back to here. So that you have your subdomain join on your domain, and then hit save, obviously. Give that a few minutes, but now when I go over to my webpage here, I'm going to type in join.lashladyhand.com and enter. When I hit that, once it's set up in my domains and my subdomains, that is always going to take someone straight to your presenter join page. No remembering a long link, nothing of the sort, no guiding them on how to get to it. And notice with that masking how it stays right there. That's good because they don't need to know all the rest of the information, etc. Once they're there, typically that's for them to join. So hopefully this all makes sense. Definitely make sure that you log out if you're on a public computer especially. But hopefully everybody can figure out how to do that. If you have any questions, just message me and let me know, and we'll get it figured out for you. Bye.